You can now start generating posts either from your calendar or from the AI post writer. They are both doing exactly the same thing. But if you start from your calendar, you can choose where or when you want to post. So let's imagine that I want to post next Tuesday. I don't have any post planned there. I click on add post. And just like that, I get a pop-up. By default, I've set it up for it to be posted on my personal. But I could also choose to post on my company's page if I wanted to. And then I have 5 different types of posts. I can post simple text posts, funny posts, infographics, carousels, and some custom posts that will use the content of pictures in order to generate my post. We will first start by generating a text post, and for that, you can generate your post from scratch, or you can ask AI to help you, and you can choose which type of post you want to generate. Is that a quick take, an out to framework, a story post, surprise me? So I'm going to take an out to R3 or quick take, and I'm going to click on that. And now what will happen, this is that the AI is going to use my brand linked information, my brand kit information in order to generate the post. So the AI knows that I'm posted about digital lean. So this is suggesting why your lean initiative is still in Microsoft 365 and the AI fix nobody talks about. I could choose that, or if I'm not happy with that, I can click again, and this is then going to generate for me another ID that I can then choose to take or not. So are you really leveraging AI in your lean system or just adding digital noise? I'm happy with that. I'm then going to click on generate post. And this is going to take that as a starting point and generate a full post for me. If I go all the way in, I will find as well the different hashtags that have been generating for me. And this thing is showing me in the meanwhile how my post is going to look like in LinkedIn. If in addition to that, I want to add some pictures that I've prepared, I can also do that. And so like to some extent, you can edit what has been generated for you by AI. Similarly, if there is any of the content generated by AI that I wanted to change, I could of course do that and go into my text post, generate it there and change it as much as I want. So for instance, here, this is written stand-ups without a minus in the middle. So I'm going and putting that there. So this looks better. Then I can see when is my post supposed to go based on what I've chosen in the calendar. But I can change that from there. And so I could change the time and say, actually, I know that at 10:45, it's a slightly better time for me to post. And I could then choose to publish it now, which will publish my post right away, to save it as a draft or to schedule it. If I save it as a draft and I click on that, this is then appearing in my calendar, but this is not going to be posted the 11th of November at 10:45. Until that, I put it as scheduled. This is just there for me to review, and I can choose to publish it or not. Then if I want to publish it, what I will do is that I will go there and click on schedule, and then you can see now this is put as scheduled instead of draft.